Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your December love and work forecast for Leos. If your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe so you can also win a free reading at the end of every month. One random person will be selected for a free reading, one of our subscribers. Subscribe, like, and share, friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. I have also started 2021 horoscope reading, so you can check that out also. Let's see the theme of the month for you, friends. Leo's theme of the month. Let's see for December. Queen of Swords. Oh, okay. Communications, a new start. And the Six of Swords and Ten of Cups. Family is very important to you, Leos. Family is the center of theme of the month for you is family, happiness, and a new start is coming in your family or in your work area. Definitely, I do see that this month things are going to improve for you. Changes, positive changes, and relief is coming for you. I do see there may have been a lot of conflicts and challenges up till now for you, Leos, but December brings you a relief. It brings you happiness. You end the month finally with family, with friends, with all your loved ones together. I do see that your communications will be clear, your mental, your visions will be very clear of what you want in this month and what you want to achieve. So that's a good thing. I also see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you, or there might be a potential of them becoming a family for you. So interesting. I do see travel. Some of you might travel to meet your family or be with your family. So travel is also there, or you are missing, I do see you are going to travel, or some of your family is going to travel towards you. Leos, their love life, the world. Ooh, the Nine of Swords, the Three of Swords, challenges, Page of Swords. Communication issues are really, really affecting. Let's see what else. The Ten of Swords, the Two of Swords, the Tower. Oh my god, Leos, what's happening? The Nine of Cups, the King of Cups. You are forever dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. You could also be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus for some of you. Please excuse my throat. The Sun, the Seven of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Chariot. Ooh, yeah, finally something good. Let's see, Leos, for you. So when you start the month, oh my god, someone is terribly missing you. I do see there is a lot of fear, a lot of restrictions happening, a lot of communication blocks in this relationship. Three of Swords, someone is having sleepless nights about you, Leos. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or someone is trying to keep you at a distance because of some past hurt. There is a no contact situation going on between you and this person. You both are at a distance from each other. Someone is in hermit mode because of some addiction issues, some anxiety, some work issues, or some third party issues. So be careful. I do see this person is missing you. They want to talk to you, but something is keeping them away from you, and it might be a good thing because otherwise their problems will come in your life. So yeah, the start of the month is like you are not talking, they are not talking, and you both are keeping a bit of a distance between yourself. I also feel that in the second week, things will get better. The person will try to reach out to you, communicate with you. They will also try to end their past issues, their health issues, or some toxic issues they had. If you were in a long distance relationship, things will start to move towards you, and like they want to meet you, talk with you, and plans to meet, talk, and share, those will be made. I do see they want to change. A change is coming in your person's life, a positive shift. But the mid of December, you have to be really careful, Leos, because some tower moments may cause some endings or some sort of anxiety or worry for your love life. There might be tower moments, some shakeups may happen in this relationship. You may feel very confused about this marriage, this relationship, this past lover, whatever it is, situation, twin flame. You may feel very confused. They may feel very confused. Tower moments are coming. I also feel communication issues will happen. This person and you, your ego might clash with them because they are your opposite sign, probably Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Leo. So you have to stay careful, both of you. I also see there is a lot of love, but some disappointments may also happen mid of the month. I also see you can actually come out of these challenges by focusing on peace, by focusing on family time, by focusing on finding the love for yourself, forgiveness, and that will help you. Six of Wands, yeah. If you keep focused on the future and not worry so much about the current issues, I think things will get better for you in this connection, but yeah, there will be. It is the mid of the month is challenging. And the end of the month, things are finally going to fall into place again. This, patience, your patience will be rewarded, Leos. Yes, this person is going to, come into sunshine, into happiness, and this friendship, this love relationship is going to come again into your balance, into happiness and breakthroughs. Mental, emotional clarity is coming your way, and positive movement. I do see them traveling towards you, making a move towards you. I also see them taking charge of this situation. Your twin flame, I do see you are dealing with a twin flame or a very important lover. So, yeah, they are definitely traveling and things getting forward in December. Get ready, Leos. Lots is happening for you. Let's see some advice. Ooh, look at that awareness. See? You have to keep your mind open. You have to change the way you think, Leos. I think you and your lover both have to do that because things are shifting. This is number one. Powerful changes in your relationships. Number one, start of something, disruption, tower, breaking free. Your relationship is going through a massive shift and awakening, and some tower moments will shake your life, but it will be to make better movement, better choices, better decisions in your life. So yeah, you will have some choices. You will have the decision to choose love or to choose fear. Firm foundation. You and this person are together and nothing can break you apart. So Four of Pentacles, have some patience and use your awareness. Think differently. Things are changing for you, Leos. The same way that you behave or this person behave, it won't work in December. Something new will happen and needs to take place, and it will happen because you have the Fool here. So new things will happen, and that is what you should focus on. You should try to implement new thinking, new ideas, new ways of loving people. Let's see your career. So your work and career is Three of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Let's see what else, Leos. The Four of Swords, the King of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. Wow. So I do see you are in a very powerful position at your work, Leos. You are leading, you are taking charge, and also you might be very strict with yourself this month about achieving your goals, your deadlines. You might be very in charge of yourself, your ideas. I also see that you might start working with people you know or you love, like starting a family business or joining them. Also, you will, if you are a student, you will study with your friends, your best friends. It will be fun. It will also bring you some money, I see. But make sure that there are no conflicts, because some conflicts will be there, a difference of opinion will happen, but you should focus on finding the teamwork for yourself and this person. Teamwork is important. Harmony and peace and respecting this difference of opinion is important for you, Leos. Important because this, you are in a leader's role, and a leader accepts different point of view. So that is what you need to do. I do see that it is a busy month for you work wise. I also see that for some things you have to wait this month and you may not like it, like some job opportunities, some money, you have to wait, or you have to submit your papers, you have to submit your taxes, returns, all those things, and you are waiting for return of your taxes or something. You're waiting for some news and you might have to wait for it a bit, and it will frustrate you. So yeah, if you are a student, I see you want to do things your way. You don't. You want to rebel against the system, against the way things are. Also, some difference of opinion will happen if you are a student from your father, mother, family members. You may not agree with their point of views, or they may not agree with yours. Be patient. That's the best thing I can tell you. Justice, yeah, you will be rewarded for your patience. You will be rewarded for choosing love, for respecting a difference of opinion, Leo. So don't worry about that. I don't see your focus is much on money. Money will come, but after a bit of wait this month. Advice for you, Leos. Love begins. Ace of Cups. See, you have to fall in love. You want a new start in your work, in your education. It is coming. You're trying to create this, this forward growth. You want this new things in your life. It is happening. It is happening, friends. And look at that third eye chakra. Listen to your intuition, friends. Also, you should work with spiritual things. Maybe you will work with crystals this month, or you will work with yoga, healing. It will help you. It will help you to keep your mind balanced. I also see you should. Oh, again, a sacral chakra. I do see you working with spirituality, working with passion, working on your creativity a lot. Keep your intuition open. I do see you're very, very passionate about whatever you are doing as your work or career. And anyone who gets in between you and your work, good Lord, bless them. Stand your ground. See, look at that. What a beautiful card. This is your December. I think this card sums up your December, Leo. Stand your ground. The universe is going to say yes to you because you are not giving up. You are the boss, Leos. Stand your ground. Go for it. You're very, very powerful. Let's see what else. Pineapple. Ooh. Jumpy cards. All right. Some people are like, I get my hands in between, friends. I do need my hands to pick up the cards, I don't think so. You will enjoy life without your hands. Neither do I. Everything is a blessing if you tend to see it that way. If you don't, nothing is a blessing. So yeah, I really enjoy the comments you all write. It's sometimes really funny. I enjoy them. It adds to my everyday laughter sometimes. Yeah. So pineapple reconciliation. Yeah, someone is coming back. Lightning, control your anger or you will regret it. Yeah, friends, you're very powerful. Make sure to control your anger. Stay balanced. April is important. Nest and emotionally secure large family is important to you. Kangaroo, unsettled times, you need to plan ahead. Things are shifting and changing very quickly, so long term plans will will be good for you. Stepping into a new excitement or new experiences. Yeah, you want new, everything new. Whale. great worry over nothing. Whales are also very intelligent. Whales are also spiritually very advanced. So, yes, you are working on your spiritual development, learning something spiritually or spiritual books, law of attraction, all those things are on your mind. New creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start is happening for you. Tulip, great passion. Who you are passionate, very, very passionate. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. Yeah, some of you are like, why this sweet? We want things to move right now. Rose, romance is in the air for you. Woohoo. Moon, changes in your life. Tree, affairs with your family. Weeping willow, some family sorrow. Family is very important to you, friends. So, yeah, keep track of your family. Stay blessed and happy December to you. And make sure to subscribe, like, share Magic Wednesday. Bye for now.